Now, by using similar steps, we are going to create our letterhead. Now, go to your graphics template again. As you can see, there is no Word document here, right? So let's go to your graphic design again and select for the template that you like the most. I like the simple one, so I am using a simple graphical template. Letterhead, leaf blurb. Let's use this one. Download it, course material, and download it. Download it. Now go to letterhead, right click, extract all. Now you can see there are so many templates that I have downloaded. So here is the letterhead for the Microsoft Word also. Can you see the power of this asset management tool? So this is the power of Envato Element. They have provided the Word. Right now, as you can see on your dashboard, they have provided a letterhead in the template using WordPad. So we can directly double click it and change it. So we have the power to change the letterhead. So let's see. It is kind of a image, I think. So we can't just change the color directly here. We simply have to change the letterhead details here. So for to change the letterhead details, you simply have to open it, close. So here we have to change the color. The same step we have to follow. I can change the color, press I and select any of the color. You can directly change the color anytime you want. Let's change it again. Let's add logo here. So as you can see, simply double click it. Here is our shape layer. Press I and select the color. Press escape and here is the color. You can see the color has been changed. So here is the color that is I think a little bit light, right? So let's change the color of this shape. Press I and select this one, or you can select I and select the color here. Press copy, press so control plus C, copy, select this one and change color. You can directly here. If the pointer or color picker is not working, you can use this alternate method. Double click it. I have copied the code here. Simply double click here and paste it here. As you can see, the color has been changed. Also, one more thing, there is a logo. So you simply have to change the logo here also. Just drag it out, drag your logo here, and sincerely everything is same. Now let's delete this extra margin. Double click it, delete this one extra. You can change the details according to your need, according to your client's need. So right now let's save it as PNG. Let's save it. Control, go to file, export, export as JPEG, search for PNG, copy the path so you can directly open it, export it. Now here you can see it is transparent and just export it. That's all. Now go to your file there where you have exported. Now simply have to go to letterhead, delete this extra margin, this extra logo. I don't need this extra logo. You can delete this. You can extra delete this, delete this. Now drag this one here, right click. Now select this, layout, wrap text. As you can see, behind text. That's all. Wrap text, behind, in front of text, behind text. That's all. Now you can just drag it out here. Increase the size of our image. So This is how it will look like. They have separately added the image and icon here. As you can see, we already have the icon in our image, so we have to remove this image or icon here so that we can work accordingly. Let's delete it. Delete, 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 delete. Let's now save it again. Control Shift S. There is no option of PNG. Let's go to our file, export, export as, select PNG, double click it and replace it. Now let's drag it out here again. We have to delete this one, drag this one, drag this one, select this and wrap behind text. As you can see, here is our image. Now it's working perfectly fine. So we have changed our logo, we have created our letterhead for the company. You can change anything here. As you can see, this is how easy it is to use all the assets. Now let's get back to, you have to save or manage this file according to a folder. Next we will enter the motion design zone.